everyone, and we will continue our stretching back. So I will show you now some exercises which are to stretch good. So what we're starting to do, we will get seat and work with hands. Take 1, 2, 3. Then we will slide slowly down and 3, 4, 5. Change side and work side and take our hip. 5 and change another side. So reach our leg. Here you can hurt your back, so be careful and do this slowly. So we will get down, our feet more for ourselves, and we will try to take up our body. So pushing up and going good work. 3, 4. It's that. After that, we will try to take our hands more forward and going down. And 3, and 4, and 5. Next, take your hands and then we will try to take up. Our hands not so close. We will get a little bit down behind and stretching our legs. So like that. And take 1 knee, so 1, change, 3, change, 4, change, 5, change. Down and take your hands and take your knees more for yourself so that your back not pain. We will get up. And what we will do now? We will now go on our elbows. Good work. 2 and up. And take stretching on the legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You slowly get it back. Take our breath. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I will hold one. Today I will show you how to do this split, and if you want a beautiful split, stay with me and we will work with our legs. So we sit in this position and starting pushing our leg on ourselves. 4, 5. So if you want beautiful splits like me, stay with me and we'll continue. Our leg and starting pushing more. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, slowly back in this side. We'll get seat. Our back is strong, not like that, okay? After that, we will try to take our shins in the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And fix it in this position. After that, we can try to take leg and fix in that. So, okay, good. Open our hip and sit. 2, sit. After that, try to take leg and open our hip in this side. Take the legs together. Take our breath, slowly breathe out and slowly slide down. So 1, they will do this split and how to do that. I will show you now. So stay with me, follow me, and we will get sit in this position and working with our 2 hips. So we take 2 legs together and stretch. So 2 and 4, sit and starting to pushing. So 1, 2, 3. After that, I will starting to pushing our legs. So I will go in this position and start 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Long back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 1, 2, 3. Change. Stretch. 1, 2, 3. On and try to take this leg and push hand in this side. And starting to do that pose and relax, slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that you like it. Follow me and going watching my other videos because doing a new yoga position, and if you're interested how doing that, stay with me and I will show you. So let's start. So first exercise which we will do, we will take this leg. 1, 2, 3. From this position, we will 2 and 3. Take our elbow and stretching. 1, close and up. So 1, 2, and 3, and 2, and 3. And let's sit and take straight. 2, 3. Take leg in this side and go 1, 3, and take one leg on another leg, and take our breeze, going down and stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, breathe and slowly breathe out, go down. So 1, 2, 3. Follow me, write me good comment, and going to watch my other videos, because your support for my channel is so important. That exercise which we will do now for stretching our back. So let's work it with me. First, what you're starting to do, little warm up upper back, that we going down on the back. Take hands on different sides and stretch. So 1, 2, change. Take our knee and stretching 5. Good work. After that, we'll take on our knees, take our hands on the back. Right, so 1 and sit. 2, 4 and 5. 4, 5. Then we slowly go on the floor and try to do pushing up. So 1 and relax. Take 3. It's 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Then we will try to do exercise before. So we will get 4 and right hand going behind, and we will do like 2 and trying to do another side. So I will change my hands and change sides. So take it 1, 2, sit, 3, sit in the side. So I will take 1, trying to take my hand, so and 5, going to the back and take breeze. Relax, slowly go behind and stay on 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretching our back, you must do relax that your